Well, we have breaking news just coming in on the broadcast. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences team has submitted its findings to the CBI in connection with the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. My colleague Arvind Gunasekar tracking the details of the story now joins us. Arvind, what are you learning from your sources?
Jessica, the Central Bureau of Investigation had taken up the investigation in connection with the alleged suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, and after the agency took over the investigation, they had sought the assistance from the AIIMS team to review the autopsy and also viscera report of Sushant Singh Rajput. So based on the request of the Central Bureau of Investigation, the AIIMS had set up an AIIMS doctors consisting of a board consisting of 5 doctors. So today, that particular AIIMS panel headed by Dr. Sudhir Gupta has met the Central Bureau of Investigation to share their findings with the Central Bureau of Investigation. So our sources in the agency have confirmed to us that the AIIMS panel has shared their conclusive findings with the Central Bureau of Investigation, and those findings are being corroborated by the agency based on their own investigation. In fact, the findings that have been submitted, shared by the AIIMS panel, will be taken as an expert opinion in this particular case. On the other hand side, even the Central Bureau of Investigation has also done a criminal investigation in this particular case. So their criminal investigation will be corroborated with the findings that have been shared by the AIIMS panel. So after corroboration, the Central Bureau of Investigation will take a call how to proceed ahead in this particular case. In fact, a very important point is that the AIIMS team was to give their own findings to the Central Bureau of Investigation with a clear indication whether there was any foul play in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput or it was a clear case of suicide.
That brings me to my next question. The AIIMS panel report is extremely crucial because this was the team that was constituted to ascertain whether there was any foul play in the actor's death, whether this is a case indeed of suicide or murder.
Yeah, Rishika, that's a very important question because the AIIMS team, the AIIMS panel was constituted especially just to give this opinion, whether there was any foul play in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput or whether it was a clear case of suicide. So that's their opinion, that's their finding that the AIIMS panel has to give it to the Central Bureau of Investigation. So our sources in the agency have confirmed to us that the doctors have given a conclusive finding in this particular case. So it's clear there is no ambiguous in their finding. They have given their conclusive findings to the Central Bureau of Investigation. So that particular finding, our sources are not ready to give what was the exact opinion, what was the exact finding that was given by the AIIMS panel. So that they are not ready to give it. But what they are telling is that they are corroborating the findings of the AIIMS panel with their own investigation, and then they would be taking a decision to how to proceed in this particular case, whether to consider this as a suicide and continue with the probe, or whether to consider this case from the angle of a homicide, etc.
Right. Arvind, I think that's very crucial information that you are in fact breaking to us. One, of course, doesn't know at this moment what really is the findings as far as the AIIMS team is concerned, but the panel has in fact submitted conclusive findings to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Remember, the AIIMS panel findings will be taken as an expert opinion in this case. They will also be presented as a prosecution witness. Appreciate you, Arvind Gunasekar, for joining us.